Una good day my beautiful people. Una welcome back again to my channel. Now we be Naija gossip o. Na we dey give una all the latest gist and latest gossip when they happen around Nigeria. If you dey come to my page for the first time, you are highly welcome. Abeg kindly subscribe before you go. And for those of my returning subscribers, I love una well well o. And my people, I say make I come tell una this gossip on this aproko when I just hear so. Una no forget it today. Na be Regina Daniel birthday. Na today night she dey celebrate her 24th birthday. When I come hear the tori, I come hear the aproko say Ned Okoko talking about Regina Daniel husband say he don buy a private jet. I say what the hell? If na so, make I hurry up, make I come tell my people how the matter dey be. But me I no know whether this matter na true or na lie, because according to wetin I hear, they say na Regina Daniel sister, una know say get her sister or close, one of her closest sister, and Ned na surprise Regina Daniel on her birthday today. And the video go come shortly after I post. I will show una the video of how they take surprise her. This na just small part wey they take do for am. That one and that one. Make I not forget say no be small be beans or no be small money I take dey buy private jet. Muna not fit forget say the person wey Regina dey marry na Odogu from Delta State, talking about Ned Okoko. This na person wey say he don serve for government house for how many years. Now presently now Ned na senator. Una know the matter dey be. Una know say how senator money dey be, how they dey do am pass. No be small matter. And muna not forget say this Regina Daniel so no be small person too for Nollywood. A lot of people they don't as they recognize that they know and see based on the kind of husband when she marry. If you go to her Instagram handle, you go see a lot of comments, a lot of people when they congratulate her on different angle. So that now come I call the T say this man, so why they hear so na true story, because very soon I will show now the video. What this next video, let me see the small play when they play with the family when they do some challenge. But not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please put your post on the question so that I'll post the next video to show now the real matter about this private jet matter. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.
Just give me my money. Yeah! Just give me my money. Yeah! Give me my money. Yeah! Just give me my money. Yeah! Give me my money. Yeah! Give me my money. Yeah! Why? Kemun, do it again. They'll clap for you. Do it again. Shout, say, give me my money. Say it again, Baba. Just do like this. Just give me my money.